watch along as I get ready for New Year's Eve tonight.
So I've already prepped my eyes with the brow lift and the eye base. I love using the eye base before applying my eyeshadows because it helps them stick better and blend better. The first shade that I'm using here is on my lid, and it's called Safari Not Sorry. Then I went in with Chimea River with the crease brush to help blend out the edge. To add a little bit more drama, I went in with the corner brush with a color called Crimson Star, and you can see as I'm applying this here, it just gives a little bit more depth for a night out. After you've applied the first three shadows, make sure they're all blended with the crease brush, and then you can top it with one of our Cosmic Dust. This one is called Partial Eclipse, and it's actually on sale for $2.99 online only. You can definitely tell how this gives a glittery night out look. Now I'm using pitch black liner, sprayed my angled eyeliner brush with water, and applied this with the tight line effect. This keeps your eyeliner really thin and makes the whites of your eyes pop. I always do a nice little cleanup before applying any of my eyelashes or mascara. That way it sharpens up the edge of your eyeshadow in case you made a mistake while you're blending. And remember, no bottom eyeliner, just a little bit of the Partial Eclipse to add some shimmer. Next, I use the Jean Tierney lashes. These are brand new. They are a little bit more va-va-voom than Grace Kelly and great for a night out like New Year's Eve. I trim 2 notches off of each side, and I use the velour glue that I pick up on Amazon. Lay it right up against your lash line, making sure you're not sticking it directly to the skin, but instead right on top of your lashes. The little lash applicator helps to hold down the corners. Just make sure you're not squeeze blinking and giving time for that to dry. Like I said, about 60 seconds will do the trick. Also, give your lashes a good bend because they tend to hug the shape of your eye better when you do that to avoid popping off on the corners while they are trying to dry. Once the eyelashes are dry, I always go back over it with Winging It Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner. It tends to hide the band a little bit better so people can't tell that you're wearing false lashes. So there you have it. If you already own these colors, well, you're welcome. If you don't, every item in here is sold separately. You can snag them now to receive them in time for New Year's.